welcome back to another video. Before we get into the video, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. It means everything to me, so let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I have a very small haul for you guys. I got some stuff from Sephora. If you guys didn't know, I used to actually work for Sephora for 8 years, but I really needed to replenish a couple of things, and then I wanted to try out a couple of other things. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So I really wanted skincare items. I didn't need any more color items, but you know, when you're looking on the website and then you just kind of like, oh, add to cart. That happens. But I bought this stuff for the sale, so it's okay. All right, so let's get into the skincare first. So I bought the polyacid serum. I absolutely love this serum. It's honestly like a hybrid between hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. It really helps hydrate the skin and even it out. I absolutely love this stuff. I needed another one, so I got that. And then it's the Inculus, by the way, brand. I also got the Inculus peptide moisturizer. They changed the packaging. I used to absolutely love the packaging. It used to be like the packaging from Drunk Elephant, which is like a push tube. Now it's like in a squeezy tube, which totally sucks because I loved the old packaging, which I might actually buy little containers and pour this in it. I've seen that on Amazon, so I might actually get that to put this in. But this is a really good moisturizer. I absolutely love it. Again, it is a dupe for Drunk Elephant, and I feel like it really helps hydrate the skin, and it looks amazing underneath makeup as well. I had to get one of my Tatcha items. Tatcha is so pricey, guys. It's so pricey. But me and my husband both absolutely love the Tatcha rice polish, the classic one. We both really love it. We've been using it since I started selling Tatcha at my location when I worked there. It's a really nice gentle wash, and it just makes your skin feel absolutely amazing and hydrated. I highly recommend if you could even get a sample from them. I'm literally going to open it because I don't have one right now. But I absolutely love it. It's like little rice, little light rice powder. I love it. If you have never tried it, definitely get a sample and try it out because this product is absolutely amazing and I love it. All right, and the next thing, I absolutely love this brand. This was actually the first brand I started using way back in the day, and it is First Aid Beauty. I don't know if it's supposed to look like this, but I got the cleansing oil makeup remover. So I normally use my Love, which is the Tatcha Pure One Step Gamila cleansing oil, but I decided to try this one because that's a lot more pricier than this one is. And this one is a newer product, so I'm excited to try it. I'm really hoping that it replaces the love I have for that one, but we will see. Then I got 3 color items. One item I did not need at all. Actually I didn't need any of this, but I got it anyways. But this one I picked up because I thought it was really cute and I wanted to get 250 points extra on a Beauty Insider, so I picked that too. And then I just got this, and this ended up being like $5. So I got this eyeshadow palette. I actually really like their eyeshadow palettes, but it's a really good contacting Sephora customer service. Great. I'm leaving that there, but I was so excited because it's literally like a beautiful neutral palette and the topper fell. So gonna contact Sephora for that. All right, although it did just break, guys, Sephora did message me that they will be sending me another one, so I'm excited. But I am gonna still swatch it for you guys so you guys can see it, since the topper did survive a tiny bit. But this is definitely on my alley when I do actually wear eyeshadow. The colors are, so 2, 3. Kind of wished that there we go, that color was a little bit warmer than it is. And then it does have this really pretty like brownie shimmery shade. I hope you guys can see these colors just fine. And then let me do the topper. Oh my god, that is so freaking beautiful. Oh my god. I would even use that as a highlight. Oh, I put it on my burn. On my burn scar. There we go. Oh my god, that is so pretty. It's like a pearl gold iridescence. But yeah. So let's go on to the next product. I actually been wanting this for a while, and it is the NARS Laguna Bronzing Cream. I actually used to love the Laguna bronzer, the regular powder bronzer. So I really wanted to try their cream version, and I got the Laguna 2, which is the original one. I just love how olivey tone it is. Perfect for olive complexions. So I'm so excited to finally have this for summer. I've been really wanting this. All right, and then the last item I got, I've been seeing all over the place on social media, and it is from Rare Beauty, and it is their Positive Lights Silky Touch Highlighter. Cute little packaging. And I've been hearing amazing things about it, and it looks so freaking pretty. Oh my goodness. I didn't even swatch the NARS, but you guys, it feels so good. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Are you kidding? I'm so excited. I love highlighters, guys. Oh yeah. And the color is like perfect. I'm ready. I'm gonna take off my face and put it on. I really want to do that. All right, guys. So that is it for today's haul. I really hope you guys enjoy. I'm about to go ahead and hit up Sephora customer service because my palette just broke. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.